1 billion. That's how many Fiskars scissors have been sold since 1967. Each one inspired by insights born of never-ending interactions between real people and our team of industrial designers and design engineers. Scissors that feel and perform better than any other pair of scissors in hands big and small. Our demand for excellence comes through in the precision of our blades, made with the world's most premium hardened steel, which means our blades achieve the most perfect edges and stay sharper for all the years you own them. It comes to life in the advanced ergonomic form of every Fiskars handle, designed to function with unparalleled durability, comfort, and ease. So when you grip a pair of Fiskars, more energy is transferred from your hand into every cut. It carries through to the joint of every pair of our scissors, which stays secure longer, no matter how well loved or well used. Since we do all these things and more, Fiskars scissors are proven to tackle every task without fail. We know because we test each pair up to 100,000 times in development, test every single one as it comes off the line, tens of millions each year, and retest our scissors throughout their lifetimes. As a result, when your customers pick up a pair of Fiskars, we promise they'll meet our exacting specifications. It's how Fiskars has turned the act of doing into an art. It's what makes your customers recognize, trust, and seek out Fiskars' trademark orange more than any other brand. It's why Fiskars is the clear-cut choice.